Hello everybody, welcome to the English class. Play this video twice to teach reading to kids. Once word sounds are heard completely, you may mute the video in the second round and let the kids read the words on their own. Reading is this easy. Let's start. Short U sound CVC words. Cub, hub, rub, sub, tub, nub, pub, dub, bud, dud, mud, cud, bug, dug, hug, jug, lug, mug, pug, rug, tug, gum, hum, mum, sum, bum, rum, tum, bun, fun, none, run, sun, gun, pun, yum, gum, butt, cut, hut, nut, put, rut, gut, jut, cup, pup, bus, yup, tux, lux, lug, dug, hug, hum, sum, gum, gus, gull, bug, dug, bud, buzz, pug, jug, pup, hut, tug, cut, nut, sum, bum, rum, tum, bun, fun, none, run, sun, gun, pun, yum, butt, cut, hut, nut, put, rut, gut, jut, pup, bus, yup, tux, mud, dud, bud, run, pug, rug, lug, tug, hug, bug, tub. Short U sound sentences. I can run till the mark. I ate the bun. Is the cup full? Ben is wet. Show was fun. The pug sat on the rug. The sun is in the sky. He came to hug his mom. The jug is full. The food is yum. Look at the bug. Wren has a pet. The baby is in tub. I have a pet pug. Once words are read completely, give dictation in the third round and let the kids write the words on their own. Writing takes effort, so be patient. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Happy learning. Bye-bye.